Hello everyone, in this video we're talking about can and can't, to talk about ability. How can I use it? We use can and can't to talk about abilities, things we can do, things we are able to do. Look at this robot. This robot can dance. It has an ability. Its ability is dancing. Let's see this other robot. Look. This robot can't swim. It's not able to do that. It can't do it. Doesn't have the ability. How to make questions? Okay, let's see our yellow robot again. It can dance, right? This robot can dance. I'm going to circle this can, move it, and then we are going to make the question. Can this robot dance? Did you see how did I change the position of the modal can? Okay, this is the way we make the interrogatives, right? Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and goodbye.